Now this time, we will be discussing compensation for overtime work on a special non-working holiday that falls on a rest day. Okay, so yung kanina is about regular holiday. So this time is in special non-working holiday that falls on rest day. So the formula for the total pay for the first 8 hours on a special non-working holiday that falls on a rest day is given by total pay is equal to 150% times daily wage. So this is only for the first 8 hours. And for work with overtime exceeding to first 8 hours, we will use this formula. So we have total pay is equal to 150% times daily wage plus 150% times 130% times hourly rate times number of hours, number of overtime hours. So let's have our example. A skilled worker earns a daily wage of 1,200. Due to necessity, he rendered 16 hours of service during a special non-working holiday that falls on a rest day. How much will his daily wage be on that day? So, let's have first our given. Let's have first our given. So, the given are his daily wage, which is 1,200. Next is the number of overtime work, overtime hours is 16. So he rendered 16 hours of service. So 16 minus 2, 8, the standard hours is equal to 16 minus 8 is 8 hours. Okay. So we also need to get the hourly rate. Hourly rate. Okay. So kasi we need to get the hourly rate of that skilled worker because in the formula we have here the hourly rate. Okay, so to get the hourly rate, so we need to divide his daily wage, which is 1,200, divided by 8 hours. Okay, so 1,200 is equal to 150. So his hourly rate is 150. Okay, and then let's compute. So let's use this formula here. We have total pay times is equal to 1.5 times daily wage. So we have total pay is equal to 1.5 times his daily wage, which is 1,200 plus, so plus 1.5 times 1.3. So we have 1.5 times 1.3 times the hourly rate and the number of overtime hours. The hourly rate, which is 150 times 8 hours. Okay, so let's multiply. So 1.5 times 1,200, that is 1,800 plus, let's multiply this one. 1.5 times 1.3 times 150 times 8, that is 2,340. And to get the final answer, let's add 1,800 plus 2,340, and that is 4,140. So, meaning to say, the skilled worker will receive 4,140 pesos for 16 hours of work on that day.